My name is Queen. My name is John. We are companions. First, we enjoy the flexibility of time because we do our own thing. Number two, we enjoy the fact that we're able to produce healthy meals because for us, health is wealth. It's our priority. And number three, we also enjoy the fact that we're able to produce something that meets the needs of people outside there. So we are excited that we are able to meet needs when it comes to food, as we know that agriculture and food covers a large end span of basic needs in our country. So we are glad to be part of that.